Now we are going to start case study question number 16, and this case study is based on physics, magnetic effect of current. So Ram is doing one experiment on electromagnetic induction. Okay, he has fixed a coil of wire AB and he connected the two ends of the coil galvanometer. Now he observed that when a bar magnet is held stand still inside the hollow coil of what wire, then there is no deflection. मतलब कॉइल उस जो बार मैग्नेट उसके अंदर में रख दिया सिर्फ, वो मूव नहीं कर रहा है, तो गैल्वेनोमीटर में कोई डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं है. Okay, so the pointer showing that no electric current is produced in the coil of wire when the magnet is held stationary in it. After that he moved bar magnet quickly, जोर से हटाया, तो क्या हुआ? He observes that when a bar magnet is moved quickly into a fixed coil of wire AB, then a current is produced in the coil. This current causes a deflection in the galvanometer pointer. See figure is in the next slide. Similarly, he observed that when a magnet is moved out quickly from the inside the coil, even then a current is produced in the coil. मतलब फास्ट रखते समय और निकालते समय, so deflection दिखा उसको. This current also causes a deflection in the galvanometer pointer, but in the opposite direction, showing that when the direction of movement of magnet changes, then the direction of current produced in the coil also changes. So he confirms that the current produced in this case is also alternating current or AC. Right? So this is the figure. Okay, as a magnet is pushed into the fixed coil, a current is produced. जब अंदर रखा हो, अंदर पुश किया तब, ओके, और जब बाहर पुश निकाला, पुल किया, तब इसका डिफ्लेक्शन थोड़ा चेंज हो गया. ओके, दिस डिफ्लेक्शन इज रिवर्स्ड but in the opposite direction. So based on this context, now some questions are there. So let us move toward the first question. The phenomena of electromagnetic induction is, the first one, the process of charging a body. वो बिल्कुल नहीं है. The process of generating magnetic field due to a current passing through a coil, producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between a magnet and the coil, and the process of rotating a coil of an electric motor.
Producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion.
Yes, very good. So that only we have seen just now कि मैग्नेट को जब हम लोग अंदर पुश किए तब थोड़ा सा डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ, फिर बाहर निकाले तब डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ. ठीक है, इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. So the correct option is the C bit. Now we'll see the next one. A soft iron bar is inserted inside a current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid dash will decrease, will increase, will become zero, will remain the same.
Will increase.
Yes, will increase. ओके, ऑलरेडी क्योंकि सोलोनॉइड में जब करंट पास होता है तो उसमें भी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट होता है. जब हम लोग उसमें सॉफ्ट आयरन बार रख रहे हैं तो वो और बढ़ेगा. नेक्स्ट, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. द मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय मैक्सवेल, फ्लेमिंग, ओस्टेड, फैराडे.
Fleming.
नो, अरे फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड लॉ, लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट थंब वगैरह, लेफ्ट हैंड रूल वगैरह पढ़े हो तो ये थोड़ी ना फ्लेमिंग ही होगा. करेक्ट आंसर इज सिबिट, ओस्टेड. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया हुआ है, देखना इसको एक बार. ठीक है. नाउ द फोर्थ बिट, द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट सोलेनॉइड कैरिंग कंडक्टर फर्स्ट इज जीरो, decreases as we move towards its end, increases as we move towards its end, is the same at all points.
Increases as we move towards its end.
लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट है ये, लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग सोलेनॉइड कैरिंग कंडक्ट करंट में अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अगर इनसाइड में है, सो वो सारे पॉइंट पे सेम ही रहेगा. ठीक है. अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट सोलेनॉइड करंट कैरिंग करंट में अगर है तो वो सभी पॉइंट्स पे सेम रहेगा. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if the direction of electric current in a solenoid when viewed from a particular end is anti-clockwise, then this end of solenoid will be west pole, south pole, north pole, east pole, anti-clockwise. This is also given in the textbook. The correct answer is north pole. Okay, so this is the last question of this case study question. We'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you.